Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day. Whether you watch this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening, I am glad you guys are here. We have a couple of unboxings today. We'll do them one at a time. Starting with this small one from CountyComm, just a little weird EDC thing. But before I get started, I want to thank all the channel members. Thank you guys so much. And I also want to thank anybody that's found their way in here. I appreciate you. Thank you for taking the time to watch the content. If you're so inclined and you like it, if you'd hit that subscribe button and that bell notification icon, it would really help me out. So the unboxing knife today is going to be our little Amazon titanium box cutter. And the first thing we have from CountyComm, I'm not going to lie, it's a little weird. But I got it because I have issues reading blade steels from time to time, right? So this is a little, comes with a couple of glow-in-the-dark and an orange lanyard. Put my lanyard on there, but look guys, it's a little magnifying glass that I can start fires with, but more importantly, I can clean up. It's got plastic on it now. Let's get that off there. It's got a little glow gasket holding it in there. This is a overrun government surplus type stuff. I pick up a lot of stuff from CountyComm. It says right there, titanium cage. It's got a little place you're going to hold it if you're going to make a fire, or if you want to read the blade steel on something. And then it comes with these two little sleeves, extra gasket. I think I'll use the glow one. And that kind of lets you put it in your bug out bag and protect it. So that, guys, is a weird, let's see, how do we want to do this? A weird little EDC item that I picked up because it looked different. I don't know if I'll keep this on here. Got a little titanium bead, and it's set up to just pull through like so. Taking a little extra time, guys, but now we've got our little titanium Meritech magnifying glass. Cool, cool. We'll move on to here. Don't know what this is. It was on the porch from FedEx. Try not to dox myself. Ah! I do have a feeling I know what this is. This is something from my buddy Paulius over in Lithuania from Baltic Blades. Let's see, guys. Give me just a second. Let me grab something. I've got it right over here. This is the V2 Angis, or Generation 2 that I brought you guys. And this is the Gen 1 from last year. So let's see what Paulius has been up to. And guys, whatever this is, we will do a full review on it. Nice little tape to keep the box shut. His presentation's on point. Oh. This is an Angis N690 60 HRC paracord handle, but it is in his flamed finish. Check this out, guys. Hold on one second. Get that out of the way. Guys, look at that rough satin. Show you compared to the stone washed. Guys, I've seen a couple of posts on Instagram, but I think these may be available on his site now. I will leave a link. Let me get some paper. These little things make the lightest weight little street scalpels. I used to carry it like a appendix style. I've got this one set up to carry in my back pocket. I'm going to put a strap on this one and carry it appendix style. Guys, these are little handmade EDC slicing. That was me, totally missing the blade. Machines that are pokey, that are splinter diggers, that to me are gorgeous, and I love, love, love the new finish. I love the satin bevel. I love the flamed handle. Just a beautiful knife. Go Polyus. Guys, I am going to, this is just an unboxing. I will bring you a more thorough review after I find out how I'm going to carry that guy. And what I will do is I will put Baltic Blades Instagram in the description. And Baltic Blades, I have no affiliation with them. I don't have any discount codes, but these are priced right around $99, I want to say. That might be European, so it might be a couple of dollars more or less. I'm not that familiar with the exchange rate, but it does it for you automatically. Because when I bought it from there last year, which was this little guy, which was the Gen 1, which, great little knife. This one got a lot of use, you can tell. Fantastic box openers, fantastic letter openers, and he's just absolutely killed on the design. So yeah, guys, this is the Angis Gen 2 in his new, I don't know what it's called, flame finish. We'll have to look that up. I'll put it in the description too if it's got a name, but I'll definitely put the website so you'll at least see when these are available, or if they're available to order now and pick the color paracord you want. You guys can check that out. But I absolutely recommend these knives if you carry small EDC fixies. The sheaths are absolutely rock solid, great retention. Don't know whether to, I'm gonna strap this one. So when this gets reviewed, we'll see how I've been carrying it. We'll talk about it, share some more love with you about it, guys. And that's just a random unboxing. I'm glad y'all are here. Didn't take that long. Hope you find it educational, entertaining, informative. Close up my butterfly knife till next time. Guys, I love each and every one of you. Please look out for the guy or gal to your left. Look out for that guy or gal to your right. Look out for each other. Please go forward with love in your heart. Choose debate, not hate. I love you all. Peace.